what's up? So today I'm gonna do a gaming on my Xbox. So let's get on with it. Lala, grab your Xbox.
Sit here.
Come.
Yeah, I am sorry.
Lala, stop. Come make one video. Alright guys. So this is raining arrows. It's very dangerous. Alright, let's go. Guys, I'm already on the server. Hey, let me get my phone. Hey guys, what do you want to do? Alright. I got Josh and Jenny with me. I mean, Josh and Craner is here. Alright. Let's go. Alright. Alright. So that's it for this video. So hey guys, what's up? Today we are going to be filming. Alright. So wonder why I have these on? Cause I'm about to join the Air Force. Yep, the Air Force. I know I'm a little kid, but I'm still gonna go. Alright guys, I'll be right back when I reach to the Air Force. Woo! Woo!
Did you put this vlog?
Woo! Alright guys, we're at the Air Force. There's people are surrounded at this house. I'm in a helicopter. I'm about to go off in a full requirement. Let me just go in the helicopter. Alright guys. So we're in the helicopter. And know why the helicopter have this? Because there's no more seat and they want the sergeant to come in to your heart. So I'm the sergeant. Do you copy, Sergeant A? I mean, do you copy B? Alright, so this is what I need you to do. Do exactly what I'm here and do exactly what I say. Alright, so if you see a tank, shoot it way up in the sky. I mean, shoot it in the tank where them shoot it, okay? And go close to up, kill all of the enemies, and retrieve the money and bring it to me. I'm gonna be right there in a second. Copy A. Copy A. What do you need? Oh, drop the missiles. Sir, drop the missiles. Dropping missiles in 3, 2, 1. This helicopter is a big helicopter. Alright, so woo! Sorry guys. So I'm here Come here. Alright. I'm already joining the Air Force now. Now. Oh, hold on 1 second. Copy C. Drop more missiles. Drop 6 of them. Alright. Sir, drop 6 of them. Engaging. Loading. Alright, you know this, but I'm from Area 51. I'm the sergeant of Area 51. I control all of the Area 51. Alright. I'm actually gonna wait until I got another call. Woohoo! Alright guys, for so long I not even get a call yet. Two calls I get. Oh, copy D. Drop the asteroid. Are you sure about this? Because it's gonna wipe out everybody in the map. Are you sure? Alright. Drop in asteroid. Drive! Alright guys. I guess let's send out another army. Beep. Beep. Send out another army. I repeat, send out another army. Alright guys, that's all I want to say is peace.